One of the most exciting types of collateral today is interactive content. And we use those terms because it spans a broad range of materials. And all of them share something that's really important. And it is that they are experiences, interactive experiences, where each person who goes to it is going to find their own path through it. Designing interactive content means not only creating the great and engaging collateral, not only creating the material that earns the buyer's attention and earns the reader's attention, rewards it with interesting and useful material, and empowers them to take action. Not only does it obey those three principles, but it has to be particularly engaging and flexible so that people can find their own way to the material they need, in the same way that we have to go through a series of meetings and conversations to understand how you might want us to create something as simple as a one-page infographic. We have to go through that process for interactive content, but it's much more involved. We have to talk about the flavor of the experiences you want. We have to talk about how big in total you'd like it to be, how complex or simple you'd like it to be, how long we think it will take someone to go through a typical path through the material. All of those kinds of conversations are necessary to size it. And this is a key thing, to size the total development effort, because we can build very rich interactive experiences. All of those conversations are necessary so that at the end of the process, we've made sure that the interactive content we deliver to you helps you succeed with all of your different target audiences and all of the key points you're trying to make to them.